the 5 important refractive index, okay, which comes most probably in the exam. So just by heart this properly. Okay, hope so you understood this concept. Okay, now you have to by heart what? The laws of refraction, which are very important. This formula, okay, this formula and concept is also called as a Snell's law. Okay, okay, I hope you understood. And the refractive index you have to by heart. Okay, you have to keep in mind what is the absolute refractive index also. Okay, now we are having some formulas of refractive index, okay, that we are going to discuss now. Okay, so students, now suppose we want to calculate the refractive index of two different medium. Means what? Light is coming from, for example, light is coming from air and it is going to the glass slab. Okay, for that purpose we are going to calculate the refractive index, okay, of those two pairs. Okay, now for this concept, let's consider V1 is the velocity of light in medium 1. Okay, for example, medium 1 is the air. V2 is the velocity of light in the medium 2. Medium 2 is a glass. Velocity means what? It is the directional speed. Okay, okay, मतलब light is traveling with some speed towards one direction, that is a velocity. तो ये velocity जो है वो air में different है and glass में different है. Okay, light का speed. Okay, इसका हम लोग को रेशियो लेके we have to calculate the refractive index. Simple concept है. Okay, now we will see the refractive index हम लोग को जो निकालना है, the refractive index of the second medium. See, in this concept, light is coming from air, going inside glass. So in this concept, refractive index किसका आएगा? Second medium का. Okay, with respect to what? First medium. Means what? The refractive index of second medium, that is a glass, with respect to the first medium, that is air. Okay, तो वो जो refractive index है वो हम लोग ये लेटर से दिखाते हैं with this 2 and 1. Means what? The refractive index of second medium with respect to first is equal to the ratio. Ratio means what? Division of the velocity of light in medium 1 to that in the medium 2. ये जितना भी definition यहाँ पे दिया है इसका formula यहाँ पे है. Means what? The refractive index. The refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is equal to the ratio of the velocity of light in medium 1, velocity of light in medium 1 to that the velocity of light in medium 2. Simple concept. Okay, अभी अगर ध्यान में नहीं रह रहा है फॉर्मूला तो you have to do some calculation like 2 and 1 or some tricks you need to keep in your mind that this is the refractive index is what second come, this 2 number come first, right? So that is the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. But formula लिखने टाइम पे आपको 2 you need to write at the bottom, first you need to write in at the numerator. So V1 should be at a numerator and V2 should be at a denominator. Okay, so this is the formula of refractive index of second medium with respect to first. Okay, in this concept. But suppose light comes like this. Okay, over here it touches and it goes out. In this concept, what will you do? यहाँ पे अपना आएगा ये वाला concept. The refractive index of ये वाला concept अपना आएगा. Okay. In this concept means while light going from the glass to the air, in this concept अपना ये वाला formula आएगा. Means what? The refractive index of the first medium. Now light came out in the first medium, right? Air medium. Okay, this is the air. Okay, the refractive index of the first medium, that is the air medium, with respect to glass, because air light kahan se bahar aaya hai? From the glass. Okay, that's why the formula will be like this. See, this is what the refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, okay, is equal to V2. V2 means what? The velocity of light in medium 2 divided by velocity of light in medium 1. Okay, so this two formula you need to by heart. Okay, fine, hope you understood. And you need to keep in mind that the key points: velocity of light is low in a denser medium. Okay, it is hardly possible for the light to pass through denser medium. Okay, light struggles a lot while going through denser medium. And velocity of light is higher. Higher means what? More in the lesser or rarer medium. Okay, rarer medium को rarer medium में light को ज़्यादा struggle नहीं करना पड़ता है. Okay, that's why उसका velocity higher रहता है. Okay, now if our first medium, okay, if our first medium is vacuum, if our first medium is vacuum, then the refractive index of medium 2 is called as a absolute refractive index, which we have already covered. Okay, and it is written as a n. Okay, मतलब first medium हमारा क्या रहेगा? Vacuum. मतलब light ray कहाँ से आ रहा है? From vacuum, and it is going where? Into the air. Same we have covered over here, right? कि from vacuum it is coming into the air. That time we are getting the refractive index 1.0003. Okay, same concept is over here, and we have covered this topic. Hope so you understood everything, the refractive index and all. So suppose you want to write it down, please write it carefully.